What's good, guys? Derrick here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I wanted to start off today's video a little bit different because I wanted to stress the importance of reference images. So right now I'm on Pinterest, as you guys can see, and as you can see I got like tons of Pinterest boards, mood boards, just reference images all everywhere, you know, stuff you guys will never see. I have all of these because for every logo project, I'm not sure how aware you guys are of this, but I have some kind of reference image, some kind of inspiration image, just something, and just kind of build upon that. So what I did for this logo design, I simply typed Fortnite Raven, you know, obviously into Google. And this is something that I would do generally for a concept like this. This one is a little bit different because I wasn't trying to create anything unique per se. I was just basing it upon the actual, you know, character from, you know, the game. So anyways, you know, all that I really did was like basically just look at this picture the whole time and flip the picture later on in the sketch that you guys will see in a moment. So yeah, anyways, I really just wanted to put this into place because a lot of the times I feel like people just start sketching just out of random. They were like, okay, I want to make a wolf logo. And they'll just start sketching and they don't even know what an actual wolf looks like or a lion or whatever. And I feel like that's a huge problem just for people that are very, very new to things, or just people who have the misconception that like artists or designers like myself are just like genies or whatever, and we just have like this crazy gift of like, we know what every animal looks like, even though we've never seen it in real life, right? So, you know, I just really wanted to stress that, you know, if there's anything you wanted to see or if you're having trouble creating something, be sure that you have good reference images in place to check out. And then, yeah, just like, I just looked at all of these, basically. I made them, I went into Adobe Illustrator, copied all of the pictures, and then pasted them in there and just looked at them all and then just kind of picked one to focus on and then just used that as my base. Because again, for this one, like I said, I'm not creating anything unique. It's a character that's already made. So this one's a little bit different. But yeah, anyways, like I said, guys, reference images are extremely important. So now we're going to cut to the footage of sketching and the rest of the logo design. Alright guys, so yeah, as you guys can see, reference images are super important. And again, as you guys will see at the end of the video, you know, how much or how close they are, how similar they are. And that was kind of like the whole plan for this project, or just for this, not even a project, just for this video. I didn't really want to create anything out of the ordinary. This was just me kind of showing you guys, you know, what I would do to do this. And this is a great way to practice because this wasn't a project I was hired for. I'm pretty sure it's illegal. If someone was to hire me for this, I don't think I could like sell this or anything like that. But yeah, this would be a fantastic way to like practice, you know, like a lot of people feel like they need some kind of YouTube videos. They need some kind of course. Shout outs to my course coming out this month. But yeah, like they feel like they need something. They need someone to hold their hand. I really want to be there to tell you, you do not need that, because at the end of the day, you are the one that's going to be holding yourself back. So practice is what's gonna, you know, really gonna make you better. You can watch all of my videos, you can take my course, you can take 10 other courses, but at the end of the day, if you're not practicing on your own time, you're never going to actually get better. Because that's the main thing that I did to actually get better. Like, there were no courses when I was younger learning how to draw and sketch. Like, I mean, I was in school, but no one taught me. Like, no one made me draw when I didn't have to draw. And if you don't want to draw or sketch or make logos when you don't have to, then you probably shouldn't do it. You know, like, that's why I make music. No one tells me, like, no one. I get like 18 views on my last beat video I put up. Shouts to that. I'll put a link in the description. But I don't care. Like, I make it because I wanted to. And that's the same reason why I started making mascot logos. No one asked me, no one cared. I genuinely wanted to do it, so I genuinely put in the time and the effort to get better and practice. So if you guys really want to get good or better, be sure that you are that person. And if you're not, then do something else and find something else that you truly enjoy doing if no one asks you to do it, right? You know, so don't do it for social media. Don't try to get clout. Like, if you feel like you need clout or you feel like you need likes or something for you to make you feel like you want to do it, you probably shouldn't be doing that. And if you do, you probably won't be doing it for very long, because you'll kind of come to that realization. But anyways, yeah, guys, that's really what I wanted to stress in this video, like how easy it is for you to practice on your own time and doing stuff like this consistently, you know, whether it be once a week, 2 times a week, 3 times a week. The more you do it, the better you're going to get fast, you know, per se. So I just really wanted to stress that, guys. So hopefully this has been helpful. I really hope you guys enjoy the design. It's super dope when I add the colors in. Even the thumbnail was fire. When I was making the kind of like presentation picture at the end, I thought it was super dope. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys think it's sick. Shout out to Fortnite. It seems their game is going crazy. you know, obviously with all the hype and Drake and Ninja and all this stuff, and then they drop these crazy skins that are super dope. Like this one, I thought it was fire, so I knew I just had to create a sketch or just a design because it's super dope. And I might do some more because some of their other characters are like super fire. But yeah, anyways guys, Derek here from DaseDesigns.com. I really hope you all enjoy the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.